Do you want to stop trading hours for dollars? What if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep? You're about to discover 5 passive income ideas that could change your life forever. But first, let me ask you something. What's your dream life? Is it freedom, flexibility, financial security? Now imagine living that life where your bank balance grows effortlessly and your time is finally your own. But here's the catch. This isn't for everyone. It takes commitment, patience, and the right strategy. Are you ready to level up? Let's dive in. You know, the real secret to wealth isn't just working harder, it's about working smarter. So let's start with something that doesn't require a ton of upfront money. Are you ready? Because this first one might surprise you. 1. Print on demand. Imagine creating custom designs, whether for apparel, mugs, or even phone cases, and selling them online with zero inventory. With platforms like Printful and Teespring, your designs are created and shipped on demand, and you earn money every time someone makes a purchase. Sounds easy, right? Well, it can be, but don't think it's all passive from day one. You'll need to build a brand and a following, but once you've done that, it's a snowball effect. Here's the kicker. It's a low-risk, low-investment entry point, making it perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into passive income without risking a fortune. Plus, once your designs hit the market, it could mean sales while you're on vacation or even sleeping. But don't blink because we're just getting started. If you've been paying attention, you know that true wealth comes from diverse streams of income. But we're not talking about just any streams. I'm talking about income that builds on itself, income that multiplies. Let's talk about something a little more traditional, yet still incredibly powerful. Second, dividend investing. The wealthy have been using this strategy for centuries, earning income simply from holding shares of profitable companies. With the right stocks, you can earn regular payouts, often quarterly, just for owning them. The best part? Your money works for you while you focus on what matters. Sounds great, doesn't it? But here's where you need to pay attention. Not all dividends are created equal. Some companies pay reliably, others don't. So do your homework. The beauty is in compounding. Reinvest your dividends, and over time, your returns grow exponentially. Think about it. Would you rather work harder for every dollar or let your money start working for you? 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Now, I'm sure you've heard of real estate as a powerful wealth building tool. But what if I told you that you could own property without ever having to fix a leaky faucet or deal with tenants? Welcome to real estate crowdfunding. With platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can pool your money with others to invest in large-scale real estate projects, earning passive income from rental income or property sales. Here's the catch. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. These investments require patience and a long-term outlook. But if you're willing to wait and play the game smart, this could be one of the most powerful ways to generate income. But wait, don't go anywhere. Up next, a money-making idea that could make you rich with just a little bit of content and a lot of strategy. All right, by now you know there are ways to make money without working 9 to 5. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Ready for some excitement? 4. Affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending products you love and getting paid every time someone buys through your link. The best part? It doesn't require you to create your own product. You just leverage your influence. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a strong social media following, affiliate marketing allows you to promote products that your audience will find useful. But here's the secret. It's not just about any product. It's about choosing high-quality evergreen products that people will keep buying again and again. The more you promote, the more commissions you earn. I know what you're thinking. Can this really work for me? Well, stick with me because there's one last passive income idea that could be your ticket to financial freedom. And it's one of the most overlooked methods. 5. Creating an online course. If you have expertise in anything, whether it's graphic design, cooking, fitness, or even personal finance, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Here's where the magic happens. After you create the course, it's up and running. People continue buying it day after day, month after month, with no additional work from you. It's a true set it and forget it income. But be warned, creating a high-quality course takes effort up front, but the payoff? It could be life-changing. And the best part is, you're helping others while creating a stream of income that can last for years. Imagine that. You've just seen 5 powerful passive income ideas, each one with its own unique benefits and challenges. The question now is, which one will you take action on? Because here's the truth. Passive income is a game for those who start. If you do nothing, you'll stay exactly where you are. But if you take one of these ideas and make it your own, in just a few months, your financial future could look completely different. So, which idea is calling your name? Leave a comment below and let me know your plan. The clock is ticking. Your future wealth starts today.